Okay, now number 6. The point P with x coordinate 1 over 2 lies on the curved equation y equal to x squared, right? This is the x coordinate of P. So we have point P 1 over 2. We don't know the y, so let's just write it as y. And then the normal to the curve at P intersect to the curve at points P and Q. Okay, the normal intersecting at point P and Q. We're going to find the coordinates of Q. How can we find it? So listen. So there is a curve like that. For example, oh no, because this is 2x to the power of 2, then it's gonna be like this, right? After that, this curve, it said that this curve is intersecting at the normal. There is a normal line. Okay, for example, this is tangent. There is a normal line that intersecting how many points? 2 points, P and Q. It's like this. Ada P, ada Q, like that. Okay. Now, this point, for example, this is P. Okay, this is P point. This is something that we are going to find the Q point here. This is P. The x is 1 over 2 point y. We don't know the y coordinate point. Here x and y. So this is the important thing. This is the one that we are going to find. So now let's just find it. How we find it? Then we need to find the coordinate, the equation of the normal first. Okay, find the equation of the normal. How do we find the equation of the normal? Find first the gradient. Okay, now let's find the gradient. Y accent here 4x. So the one that we are going to find here is m of normal. Okay, so just directly find normal. Gradient of the normal is gonna be minus 1 over 4x, right? After that, because this 1 over 2 is passes through or intersecting through the normal line, that's why here we need to substitute so that we get the gradient, exact value of the gradient of the normal. This is gonna be minus 1 over 2, right? Now we are going to find the equation of the normal. How can we find it? The problem is this one, miss. We don't have any y there. Then find it. Where is y? How can we find the y? It's very easy. We just need to substitute the x into the original function because we're going to find the y, right? And it's gonna be 2x gonna be 1 over 2 squared. So y is gonna be 1 over 4. This y equal or 1 over 2. Here 1 over 2. Now we can find the equation of the normal. How can we find it, miss? Using this specific point, we know it already. X is 1 over 2, y is also 1 over 2, and then the gradient we already know it also. So let's just substitute into the equation of the normal. So here y minus 1 over 2, we got it from here. Okay, then let me break it down if you don't understand. This is y1, x1. Here m, x minus x1. Okay, so y minus 1 over 2. We got it from there. Okay, so next m. What is the m of the normal that we have found earlier? Yeah, minus 1 over 2. Then put it there. Minus 1 over 2. X minus 1 over 2 again. Where? Here. Next. So this is gonna be y minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4. So this is gonna be minus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2. 3. So 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 is gonna be 3 over 4, right? Okay, now this is already the equation of the normal. Now what should we find? The coordinates of Q, right? But what is that coordinates of Q? The intersection between normal and curve. How do we find the intersection between normal and curve? Then make the equation the same. What is the equation of the normal? Earlier, you have found it, minus 1 over 2x plus 3 over 4 equal, what is the equation of the curve? Here, right? So 2x to the power of 2. 2x to the power of 2. Now, what should we do next? Because this is still in the form of fraction, so that it will be easier for us than just multiply by 4 with the numerator, the greatest numerator. 2x 3 over 4 becomes 3. 8x to the power of 2. So we move it all there. Minus 3. If we factorize, it's gonna be 2x minus 1. 4x plus 3. Let me check first. 8x. 2, 6. 6 minus 4. Oh yeah, okay, correct. So the x there will be 2x, right? Which is 2x minus 1 equals 0. So x gonna be 1 over 2. Or the second one is this one. So 4x gonna be minus 3. So x gonna be minus 3 over 4. Now my question. We have found earlier that x equal to 1 over 2. This one, right? So we will not use it. We will not use that. Then which x that we will use for Q? This is for P earlier. This one for Q. Okay. Now you find the Q already. The Q of x. The coordinates of x in Q. So now we're going to find the y, right? So just substitute. In which, miss? For me, I will just substitute in the curve, yeah, because they are again intersecting each other. So no matter where I substitute the x, it will be still the same. Here 8, 9 over 4, 16. Here gonna be 2, 9 over 2, 4.5. Right? So this gonna be the y. So what is this x and y? X is, what is it? 3 minus 3 over 4. And y is 4.9 over 2.